Good morning, dear crafters. Today we are dealing with number 10. I'm a little behind here. So I have done those pockets in advance and some tags, a little bit of collage, not much. Let's see over here. Yeah. Here we have one more pocket we are dealing with, and some collaging over here. Yeah. And we are going to have a page over here with gluing. I have to stand up to see I am in the frame, yes. I think we're going to do like that. So, and we are going to glue it down there. I think we do that firstly. So, dear crafters, soon it is Christmas. Soon. Then we see how it turns out there. Yeah, and we are cutting off this one over here, little bit. So, and a little bit over there as well. And we have a little there. Right? And now we are going to fold this one. So. There. So you have 3 pockets like that. And those will be tabs, kind of. Yep. And some glue and ink over here. We are cutting off a little bit over there. You see? So. And you have, I think we are cutting off here as well. So it not get so bulky. There. Oh, Jesus. And some glue there. Just remember to have folded like this. You see. Because if you're folding like that, then if you have bad luck, it will be like that. So you couldn't have it further down. So like that. So it's free to have the tag there. I think we are going to cut it off a little bit. We see. We are placing it firstly. No, we are going to ink it first. Yeah. There. We see if it will be easily slide in. So I have to stand up. Something like that. Yeah, good. Then we see if it will be easily. No, not that easy. We can make it easier. And we are cutting it off a little bit here. So. And we will see here. To get a little bit. Am I doing it right? We are cutting it a little bit. So. There we go. Now we see. Yep, much easier. So now we have 3 tags with a little collage. And we are going to decide what kind of binding we are going to have. You can use this one. And we can use, can have fabric, red fabric, like that. We see what I have in we have those. I have green. What kind of? I have those there. I think we take the green. It's a little lighter. We do that. So. So I think it will be enough. I think. So I think it's enough. We are closing. Yeah. It's nice. Okay. So there we go. Yep. There we go. I think it's nice to have this a little bit lighter, because it is so dark over there. So no. Can take a close up to this. You see? It's nice. There we go. So, and we are cutting off a little bit over here, a little over there. So, yeah. And we are placing it over here, I think. Yep. We take the stift. There. So that's number 10. Nice, huh? Yep. Thank you for watching.